When you had the valve cover off, I pushed it back into place so that it had proper clearance. Now we are at basically perfect fuel trims. So our long term is 8.6% lean, our short term is -7% rich. So basically when you add these both up, you don't want to be either over 10 or less than -10.
Yeah.
Perfect would be having zeros on both, but that takes a lot of time for the computer to relearn. You see how the short term is getting closer and closer to zero, and then the long term is now 8.6% positive, which means 8.6% lean. So now we know that we're still within our proper range. Before, you were at ridiculous numbers.
Yeah, it was crazy.
28%. So we're gonna see, we should probably do a test drive. Let's make sure first that more oil hasn't like leaked out from the valve cover gasket.
Yeah.
And then we'll see if the throttle is responding better than it was before. So after this test drive, everything was looking very, very good. The car didn't rev all over the place when he cold started.